Good morning, class students. Our running topic is quadratic equation. So, in that topic, today I am going to explain very important concept. That is nature of roots of quadratic equation. Here, let ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation where a naught is equal to 0 and a comma b comma c belongs to real numbers. Let ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation where a naught equal to 0 and a comma b comma c are real numbers. See, to find the nature of roots, you have to find the value of the b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of quadratic equation. Here case 1. If b square minus 4ac value more than 0, if b square minus 4ac value more than 0, roots are real and unequal numbers. Real and unequal numbers. It means, for example, 2 comma 3 minus 3 comma minus 4. So you will get two roots. If you draw the graph of the quadratic equation, the graph will intersect x-axis at 2 points. That graph will intersect x-axis at 2 points. So, if b square minus 4ac value more than 0, roots are real and unequal. This is a first condition. Now, case 2. If b square minus 4ac value is equal to 0, roots are real and equal numbers. It means you will get only one, 3 or minus 4. Graph will intersect x-axis at only one point. At only one point. Case 3. Case 3. If b square minus 4ac value less than 0, if b square minus 4ac value less than 0, roots are non-real numbers. Roots are non-real numbers. It means the graph not intersect x-axis. If b square minus 4ac value less than 0, roots are non-real numbers. It means under the root you will get negative numbers. Under the root you will get negative numbers. So here is the questions on today's concept. Find the nature of roots of following. Here what is the first solution? 2x square. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. I am comparing with see here, I am comparing given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So from the comparison, what we can write here? A is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 3. Now to find nature of roots, I need to find the value of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. Here, what is the value of the b here? Minus 6. b square means minus 6 whole square. Plus 4ac means 4 into 2 in Here 4 means 4, A means 2 and C means 3. Here 6 square means 36, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Here what is the answer here? 12. So 12 means that is 12 is more than 0 or less than 0 or equal to 0. So 12 is always more than 0. So here b square minus 4ac, the value of b square minus 4ac is more than 0. So roots are real and unequal numbers. So the roots are real and unequal numbers. What about the next question here? Second question, 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Next question, 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. So this also I am comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 3 and b is equal to minus 4 root 3 and c is equal to 4. To find the nature of roots, first I need the value of b square minus 4ac. Here b square means minus 4 root 3 whole square. Minus 4ac means 4 into 3 into 4. Here 16 root 3 whole square minus 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Square root to cancel. So 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. Here the value of b square minus 4ac is 0. So roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal numbers. To say the nature of the roots of quadratic equation, you have to find the value of the discriminant. Discriminant is nothing but b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac value more than 0, roots are real and unequal numbers. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, roots are real and equal numbers. If b square minus 4ac value less than 0, roots are non-real numbers. Find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equation. QE means quadratic equation have two equal roots. So here two quadratic equations are there and they have real roots and equal. You have to find the value of the k. Solution, first solution. So what is the first question here? 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. Now I am comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here what is the value of the a? A is equal to 2 and b is equal to k and c is equal to 3. And this given quadratic equation have equal roots. Given quadratic equation have equal root. So what we can write here? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Given quadratic equation have equal roots. So we can write b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B square means k square minus 4 into a means 2 into c means 3 is equal to 0. Now k square minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 is equal to 0. So k square is equal to 24. K is equal to plus or minus root 24. What is the value of the k is equal? Plus or minus root 24. Next, second equation here, second quadratic equation kx bracket x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. First make this quadratic equation. Just multiply, remove brackets. K into x square, x is kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. So after the multiplication, it turned as a quadratic equation. So I am comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to k and b is equal to minus 2k. C is equal to 6. Given equation have equal roots. So what we can write here? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B square means minus 2k whole square. Minus 4ac means 4 into k into 6 is equal to 0. It is 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. So from both terms I am taking 4k as a common. So remains k minus 6 is equal to 0. Here 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. So k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 6. The value of k 0 or 6. So 10th students, here is the homework on today's concept. Find the nature of roots of the following quadratic equations. X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. 2x square plus 4x plus 9 is equal to 0. Second bit, find the value of the k from the following quadratic equation if they have real roots. Real and equal roots. X square plus kx plus 36 is equal to 0. X square minus kx plus 16 is equal to 0.